Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Cash App. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to log into your Cash App account, but you forgot your PIN and you are unable to log in, then there is one way by which you can regain access into your account. In order to do this, you will need to clear your current user data. So long press on the Cash App application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the Cash App application info page. Now from this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left and then tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data. Once you clear all of your user data, if you open up the Cash App application once again, you will be asked to log in to your account. Just use your email address or your phone number and then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code. Just enter this verification code by checking your phone or your inbox and you will once again be allowed to create a new PIN for your account. Just type in your desired PIN and then proceed with logging into your account, and now you will be logged in and your password or PIN will be reset as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.